When driving at night, especially off-road, the environment and terrain changes regularly, and so does the type of light that you need for optimal vision. A wide flood beam pattern gives you greater peripheral visibility in situations such as off-roading, tighter tracks, or in wildlife-heavy areas, while a narrow spot beam pattern gives you greater distance vision. The Night Hawk variable beam pattern driving lights by Bushranger 4x4 allow you to have the benefits of both a flood and a spot pattern in one light, giving you the ability to change the beam pattern on the fly with the turn of a dial. With 8 different settings, you can adjust the spread of light to suit any terrain or condition. As with all of the Night Hawk variable series lights, you also have the ability to control the brightness of the light output too, meaning you have the ultimate control for any driving situation. High output driving lights designed and engineered in Australia using quality components and a 5-year warranty. Nothing else offers better control. Control the light, control the night. Find out more at bushranger.com.au/Nighthawk.